For reliable application of paste, using stencil, the PCB needs to be locked in place to prevent any motion during paste application. This can be achieved using some spare PCBs of same thickness on a flat surface. Lock the PCB in place by placing the spare PCBs around. Make sure that the spare PCBs will provide sufficient support for the stencil. Once it's done, take our stencil and stick it on top of the PCB. Apply a line of paste as shown here, such that carefully remove the stencil without smudging the cards available, and take out the PCB. Down the paste in a downward stroke, such that the paste reaches all the pads. Carefully remove the stencil without smudging the paste, and take out the PCB. Hold the PCB in the same orientation as shown in the Gerber file. You may use your design software, or any Gerber viewer, like GerbView, to find the orientation of the PCB in the Gerber file. Hold it in between the ledges of the PCB holding rail. Move the PCB to the edge, like shown here.